channel. If you're new here, hi, don't forget to like and subscribe and join the fam. So today I'm doing another video of my cooking anime food series, and today I'm quite excited for this one. Well, I was excited for my previous one, for my dango video, but this is also exciting. So all you ramen lovers, yep, I'm making ramen today, and I'll be making it from Your Name. I was gonna make Naruto ramen, but there was this weird white and pink thing that goes in it, and I have no idea what that is. I don't know if it's a rice cake or something like that, but yeah. And then I was gonna make from One Piece, but they have asparagus in their ramen, and that sounds a bit weird to me to have asparagus in ramen, and I don't really like asparagus, so I saw the one from Your Name, and it looks kind of good. So let's give it a try. So for the ingredients that I'll be using today, I'll be using easy ingredients to find in your cupboard, such as packet of 2-minute noodles, 1 egg, and then obviously for the top, I'm going to use green onion. And then I'm not going to be using beef today, I'm going to be using chicken slices in my ramen, so yeah. Got it all here. It's all my bowl nicely set up. So now the only thing to do is to taste it. Hopefully it tastes as good as it looks. Okay, so where should I start though? I think I should start with the meat. Yeah, before it gets cold. Let me just hold my chopsticks properly. There we go. Stick that in there. Okay. Let's try the noodles. Let's get some green onion there. There we go. Okay. There's a green onion stuck on here. Wait, I need to get a spoon for this broth. Okay, I got a spoon. Let's try this. I've seen it in movies. Let's try this. Okay, so you do this. I think they do this, and then they do that. But let me get some sauce on there. I'm gonna do that. These little noodles are so long. Bit of green onion. There we go. Beautiful. Let's see how my chopstick skills are with this egg. Oh, wow! I got it. Okay. I should get off the yolk part. Let me turn it around. Please come on as easy as it was. So this is freaking good. This is delicious, guys. You should try this. Oh, it's divine. It is hella divine. You should definitely try this. It is so easy to make. I made it under like 15 minutes. Under 10 minutes even. It took me like 10 minutes to make it. Give me some of that good stuff. Come on. Beautiful. I apologize for the slurping, by the way. If you had to try this, you would understand why. By far the best thing that I've made on this channel was this ramen. Like, definitely. I've been reborn. Okay, so that is the end of the video, guys. I did not expect to enjoy that ramen so much. I literally ate it all. If you guys really like ramen and you can't find a good recipe, you should definitely try this one because it's beautiful. You should really try it, and it's pretty easy to make. As I said, I made it under 10 minutes. So what food can you make under 10 minutes? Other than 2-minute noodles, but I think I cooked it a bit longer, so it wasn't al dente. It was like a bit softer than I like, but other than that, the broth was amazing. I would definitely do this again, definitely, but it's really filling. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So I was probably doing one more video after this for the cooking anime food, and then after that I'll go back to doing other things on my channel. So I really hope you guys liked all the cooking videos and had fun, because I definitely did, and with some I definitely did not. I'm not gonna say which ones, but you know. But anyway, thanks very much for watching my video, guys. I hope you have an awesome week. Johnny!